Soilmate, I have my grandson helping me do the gardening today. Today is May 6.
No.
6?
No.
5?
Yes.
Yesterday was 5.
No.
Okay.
May 5. It was actually 5.
Wednesday.
No, it was actually 5.
Okay, what are you doing now, Elijah?
I'm doing something what your viewers will like.
Okay. What is my
Soulmate.
my soilmates and my caritaries?
What do that mean?
Huh?
What do that mean?
That means all people who retired. So today,
You get tired.
yeah, because I feel tired.
That don't make sense. When you are tired, you can just rest in your work.
But I'm too old to work.
No. Why did you? When you was old, you literally keep working. But why did you stop? You can literally just rest there.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, mommy.
Gusto niya mag-gardening at siya po ay naglilinis. Ano ba? Nagwalis ka ba? Nagwalis? Nagwalis ka? Oops. Oh, you hurt yourself. Be careful. Ayan, napakasipag. After school, tinulungan kami ni Elijah. So, this boy is really helpful. Alam nyo, yung aking hellebores na parang healthy. When you look closely, meron siya palang mga, yung, Papa, what do you call that, sakit?
What?
Plant disease?
Yes,
Millipedes? What's that?
millipede.
The white ones?
Millipede.
Mildew.
Media.
Nagkaroon siya ng mildew.
How about media?
And I'm afraid kung hindi namin siya
Mama, is that
ititreat.
media?
Mildew.
Media. I thought it was media.
Media is using the devices like
You're going to catch it.
social
Let's say
media.
make-
Okay? So, what I did today is to make a formula. So, I use hydrogen peroxide, mix it with water. For every tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, isang cup of water. Tapos, in-spray ko all over the plants. So, dahil magkakatabi yung hellebores, yung daylily, and then tulips, and then this one is lavender. All I have to do is to spray everything.
Okay, what?
All the plants with the pesticide. No, the natural pesticide. The hydrogen peroxide mixed with water. Okay? So this one is another plant. We call it Digitalis
Yakon.
hybrida. Yes, this is the one. Yan po yun. So, isang taon na po siya.
Bobby.
Isang taon na po siya today. Ito naman po yung white azalea. This is heather.
Heather.
This one is Russian sage.
Fashion change.
Yan. And this is also Russian sage. Ito yung
change. I'm Russian.
You- pakadaldal ng aking apo. So, ano siya, no? Ito na lang yung natitirang tulip, yung pink. And ito ho, pag namulaklak ay super ganda. Sana pag namulaklak siya, ay nandito ba kami? Because we're about to travel to Victoria. So that's the capital city of...
anyone that.
Oh, I don't tell daw. It's a secret daw, sabi
No,
nyo.
you can't tell that they eat that.
Okay.
You can't tell anyone.
Masyadong mahigpit ang aking...
Because because where someone see it, that we will get exposed.
Tingnan niyo siya, very safety oriented ang apo ko. No, so, 'yon.
Bye, Mama.
'Yon, apagod na rin siya. So, tawag na siya ng mami niya, but he really wanted to work in the garden. So, yan. Yung aming candy top, sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung perennial na short-lived lang yung ano niya, mga 1 month, yung white flowers, no? Yun, ito ho, kinortihan ng husband ko. Itong boxwood. Itong boxwood ay pagkalaki-laki na, yan, kinortihan ng husband ko. And this one too, much bigger. So, itong mga headers, kinortihan din. Kaya mas maganda ang shape niya. So, before we go, later in the evening, I think we should water kasi pagka ngayon ka mag-water.
Mama, did you eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pagka ngayon ka nagdilig, we have water restriction when we do the watering of plants. Starting May 1st onward. Kasi nga, we wanted to conserve water. Kaya, when you do the planting, kailangan i-ano mo lang handheld hose. And parang once a week, once a week ka lang
Japanese. I'm Japan.
once a week ka lang mag-water at to save water. So, ganyan po ito. Yung aking halaman, some of them, the plants for spring are dying. And so, what is some that are coming out are the plants for summer. Yung pong nandun sa dulo, Solomon's Belt. And then, we put some of our plants doon sa trunk of the tree na tinanggalan po namin ng mushroom. Yung mushroom sa itaas, another spray, but it might rain tonight. It might rain tonight, so masasayang yung aming formula when we try to sprinkle vinegar with water para totally ma-eradicate yung mushroom. Sa lower portion, hindi na sila nagbalik. Pero yung upper portion is still there. Dapat i-scrape na namin. Pero yun nga, it takes a while at medyo masakit sa kamay and shoulder when we do it kasi medyo matanda na ang mga lola at lolo ninyo. So that's all for today. And hopefully mamatay yung mildew para patuloy mamulaklak itong aming hellebores. Sayang, napakaganda pa naman niya. At mukhang sa ganda ng weather.
Soaking wet.
Come on. Why you're soaking wet? Did you wet yourself?
No, I plant
Oh.
because I
You
watered the plant.
you watered the plant. Okay. So, ito lang muna po tayo ngayon. Ito pong lilac ko. Tignan nyo, super laki na oh. Ang flowers po nito ay purple. Yan.
Mama, what's going with tummy hurts?
Uy, tami. Come on. Let's go. Because it's getting dark oh.
You need
Papa, it's getting dark. It might rain. It might rain. Uwi na tayo.
Mommy said come home in 5 p.m.
Okay. I made brew coffee for you. Halika na. Akit na tayo. Ayan po yun. Pagka lumaki po yung bulaklak ng lilac, ayan na po yun. So, thank you for viewing. At thank you for giving me some comments in my messenger. And sana dun nyo ilagay sa aking YouTube para makita ng ibang YouTube viewers. Bye for now. See you in the next. Ang sabi nila, may mga kasabihan, pag ikaw ay may garden, meron kang future. So from now on, before I end my vlog, I will give you some quotes na appropriate sa mga gardeners. Thank you for watching. I'll Lucas again from Langley, BC.